How to add a Christmas countdown timer in WooCommerce. Navigate to Sale Booster from your WordPress dashboard. Go to the Embeds tab. Click on Add New to create a new embed. Enter a name for your countdown timer. From the Embed Type options, select Countdown Timer. Add a top message. Add a bottom message. Navigate to the Countdown Timer tab. Choose Till End Date as the timer mode. Select your desired end date for the Christmas sale. Adjust the width of the countdown timer. Set the font size to match your store's design. Open the Theme and Styles tab. Select a Christmas-themed background image. Adjust the width size. Set the shadow effect size. Go to the Targeting tab. Select Is on Sale. Set it to Yes. Save your changes. Once saved, the Christmas countdown timer will automatically appear on the product pages of items that are on sale, helping create urgency and boost conversions during the holiday season. How to create a Christmas banner in WooCommerce. Go to the Sale Booster section. Open the Notification Bar tab. Click Add New. Enter a name for your Christmas banner. Select Countdown Timer Bar 2 as your banner layout. Disable the button option since this banner will show only text and the countdown. Add your banner text. Set banner fixed to Yes, so it stays visible at the top of the store. Go to the Countdown Timer tab. Set the timer mode to Till End Date. Choose your end date and time for the Christmas sale. Open the Theme and Styles tab. Select a Christmas-themed design for your banner. Enable custom height. Adjust the height to fit your design. Go to the Colors tab. Adjust the timer color to match your Christmas style. Change the close button color if needed. Navigate to the Targeting tab. Select All Pages so the banner appears across the entire store. Save your changes. Your Christmas banner will now appear at the top of your store, displaying the countdown timer and holiday message for all visitors. How to create a coupon pop-up in WooCommerce. Go to the Sale Booster section. Open the Sales Pop-up tab. Click Add New to create a new pop-up. Enter a name for your pop-up. Choose pop-up type, discount. Select the pop-up template you want to use. Choose whether you want to use a WooCommerce coupon or a coupon created through your discount plugin. Search for your coupon code and select the coupon you want to display. Set the pop-up position for both desktop and mobile devices. Navigate to the Theme and Styles tab. Pick a Christmas-themed design for your pop-up. Go to the Targeting tab. Select All Pages so the pop-up appears across your store. Save your changes. Your Christmas-themed coupon pop-up will now be displayed on your WooCommerce store. How to download and install the free and pro versions of the plugin. Start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins to open the Plugins Management section. Before proceeding, make sure that WooCommerce is installed and activated on your site. If it's not already installed, you'll need to do so first. Click on Add New Plugin. Search for Asana plugins or product badge, label, countdown timer for WooCommerce. Click on Install Now and Activate. You have now successfully installed and activated the free version of the plugin. Navigate to Sale Booster. If you wish to unlock additional features, you can upgrade to the Pro version. Follow the provided link to make the purchase and download the Pro version of the plugin. For your convenience, the link to download and use the plugin has been added in the description below. After downloading the Pro version, return to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New again, but this time, select Upload Plugin. Click on Choose File and select the Pro version plugin file you just downloaded. Then, click on Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate to enable the Pro version. You have now successfully installed and activated the Pro version of the Badge and Product Label for WooCommerce plugin. Navigate to Sale Booster. You're now ready to explore enhanced features, including advanced product badge customization, notification bars, sale pop-ups, countdown timers, and countdown stock displays. Enjoy creating a more engaging shopping experience.